Hi viewers, in this video we're going to see about the uses of cases in English.
உங்களுக்கு அம்மா யூடியூப் சேனல் பயனுள்ள வகையில் இருந்ததுன்னா கீழே தெரியுற ரெட் கலர் சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பட்டனை கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. கூடவே ஒரு பெல் சிம்பிள் வரும், அதையும் கிளிக் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. அப்பதான் எங்களுடைய அடுத்தடுத்த வீடியோக்கள் உங்களுக்கு நோட்டிஃபிகேஷனாக வந்து சேரும்.
Here we have some rules and clues about when and where to use the cases in English. For example, first one, in a given sentence, after then we should have to use always the nominative case rather than other cases. If you have any doubt about the cases, you have to see our case in detail video I have given you in our description. Okay, let's come to the point. We should always use nominative case after then in a sentence. For example, he is richer than I. He works harder than she. When we write the sentence in English, we should always use this manner. But in spoken English, we always use objective case. It is not actually correct. So hereafter we should use nominative case after then in a sentence. And also in a given sentence, after the word as, we should always use nominative case. We should not use any other case. For example, she can jump as high as me. So here me is the objective case. Instead of this objective case, we should have to use nominative case. She can jump as high as I. So instead of me, we have to use nominative case I here. This is actually right. These are some rules and regulations of when and where to use the cases in the given sentence. Okay, let's come to next point. In a given sentence, we may find first person, second person, third person also in the sentence. We have to order it in a particular manner, second person, third person, then first person. For example, these fruits are for you, Priya and me. So here we have used second person, third person and first person. So in a given sentence, the first person, second person, third persons are there. We should have to use in the order second person, third person, then first person. It is the correct order. And also after be verb, we may use nominative case. For example, it is I who paint the gate. So here after the be verb is, we can use nominative case. In a given sentence, we find and mean. After the and, we should have to use objective case, not nominative case. For example, this is the matter between you and I. Here I is nominative case. We should not use I here. Instead of I, we should have to use objective case me. For example, this is the matter between you and me. This is actually right one. So after and, we should have to use objective case. Mind it. And also last one, in a given sentence we may find gerund mean. Before the gerund we have to use possessive adjective only. For example, stop criticizing me cooking. This is actually wrong format. Instead of this, we should have to use stop criticizing my cooking. This is right one. So we may find gerund in a sentence mean. Before the gerund, we should have to use possessive adjective. This is the right one. So these are some rules and clues for when and where to use the cases in the given sentence. I will meet you in our next video. Until this is Ramji. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.